Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video recreating a Jaclyn Hill look. I do love how she does her makeup. It's always so pretty and smooth and perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a video doing that. I will link the video that I follow in my description box below, so keep a lookout for that. If you guys want to see what I create, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and do my face makeup and my brows just because she didn't really put in her tutorial what she used and stuff. So I just went ahead and did all my face makeup. So yeah, I'm going to start on the eyes. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette because I felt that it was fitting for what we were doing. So yeah, I'm going to start with the shade MFEO, which is a matte shade. I'm just going to put that, which one is it? All in the upper crease area, which is the transition area. Now I'm going to take the shade Butter, and I'm going to go over what I just did, but drag it more towards the inner corner. Now I'm going to take the shade Pukey, which is a warmer shade, and I'm just going to put it in the crease and all over the lid. Alright, now I'm going to take the shade Hunts, which is kind of a like a brick red, kind of, or more of an orangey brick red type shade. I'm going to use a different brush for that. I'm going to put that in the upper crease transition area. Alright, so next I'm going to take the shade Roxanne, which is a deeper brick red type of thing. And I'm also going to put that in the upper crease, kind of like on the edge, just to deepen it up. I'm going to take the shade Creamsicle, which is this yellow shade, on that transition brush we've been using, and I'm going to do the edges, that way I can blend out any harsh lines. So next I'm going to take the shade Hillster, which is kind of like a coppery red shade, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. I'm going to spray it with some of my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So I'm going to take the shade Queen on the other side of my brush that I just used, and I'm just going to pop it. This is a foiled shade, so keep that in mind. You're probably going to want to spray it, but I'm going to spray it real quick. I'm just going to pop it right in the middle. You don't want too much gold, but you want just enough. And I really just used one little pat for both eyes. Now I'm going to take the shade Pukey again, and I'm just going to connect the lines. Alright, now I'm going to take the shade Mocha, which is kind of a let me find it, which is a deeper brown. Yeah, and I'm just going to take it and just kind of blend it out on the lower lash line. Alright, so then I'm going to take Roxanne and Hunts mixed together, And I'm going to smoke it out on the lash line as well. And she's known for like the really smoked out lash line. I obviously look like a raccoon when I try to do it, but I'm gonna go in and clean it up, because I know y'all are probably looking at me like I'm a crackhead who doesn't know how to do makeup. But I always say it looks worse before it gets better. And then I'm gonna take Roxanne and Hunt's again, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner to kind of deepen it just a little bit more. Alright, now that I've fixed it, I'm going to add in light to my brow bone in my inner corner, which is this first shimmery shade right here. I'm just gonna add it to the brow bone. And then I'm gonna add to the inner corner. Take the shade Beam, which is the second shimmery right here, and I'm gonna add that to the inner corner. She didn't add it to her brow bone, but I'm going to, just because I feel like it needs something more. But this is totally optional. If you want it to be like what she did, then don't do this step. I just like a bright brow bone. So yeah. Then she did a liner, but she didn't do it on the top half, she did it on the bottom half, which is new for me. I've never done this before. So bear with me. She took a gel liner and put it in her waterline. So I'm gonna do that real quick because I will not be able to focus if I do it right here. Alright, so that was super weird. But I kind of dig it. She was saying that it makes it last longer, and I can see that because it is a gel liner. This is just the e.l.f. Gel liner in the shade Black. So I just put that in my waterline. Looks pretty cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes, and I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. She also put lashes on, but I don't wear lashes, so I just put on my mascara. Then she went in with the lipstick, and she used a Tom Ford lipstick, but that's pricey, girl. So I'm going to be using the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Malibu. She used a really nude shade in hers, and this is about as nude as it gets. And it was like a nudie brown, which is what this is, which is super pretty. And then she put a gloss over it, and since this is a matte, it's gonna dry in like 10 seconds. I just layered it. But the gloss I'm gonna be using is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural. Mine has a green dot on the bottom of it from working at Ulta, which I'll explain that in a later video. So just ignore that. And I'm just gonna layer this on top. Alright, so that is my final look. I know it got a little dark. The sun is starting to go down. It is like 7 o'clock here in North Carolina. But yeah, that's my final eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link the video that I followed. It's definitely not going to look exactly like hers because I don't have that exact color lipstick or that exact liner or that exact gloss. I do have the exact palette that she used though. I've almost busted myself in the head. But I do have the exact palette she used, but obviously she's been doing this a lot longer than I have. So she probably knows better than I do of what to do. But that is a cool trick that she used with the gel liner in the waterline. Like, it looks really cool. I used to do black liner constantly all the time because I have big eyes, so I used to do it to make them look smaller. But yeah, so that's my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do love Jaclyn Hill and her palette. As soon as I was able to get it, I went and got it. I do recommend it. They do sell it at Ulta, and it's online at Morphe. I know she has a code if you want to go use hers. There's a lot of other people with codes too, but yeah. Or if you go to the actual store, like in California or something like that, they don't have any in North Carolina, so I go to Ulta, which now I work there, so even better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye.